Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into why owning just 0.01 Bitcoin could set you up on a path to becoming a future millionaire. It might sound like a small amount, but trust me, when you look at the numbers and the way Bitcoin is structured, it's powerful. Let's start with the basic. Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million coins. This is not just some arbitrary number, it's built into Bitcoin's DNA, a limit that can't be changed or increased. This means that as more people adopt it, Bitcoins become scarcer and therefore more valuable. Every single Bitcoin is made up of 100 million units called Satoshis. And these Satoshis one day will become the real measures of wealth. Right now, 0.01 BTC might not sound like much, but consider this. If Bitcoins were distributed evenly across the global population, each person would only have about 262,000 Satoshis. By owning even a small fraction, like 0.01 BTC, would position yourself ahead of the majorities of people worldwide. And as adoption grows, that fractions becomes more and more valuable. The reason I'm showing you all these numbers is to highlight how Bitcoins and Satoshis will grow over time. But here's the key thing. In the future, we might not even be thinking of Bitcoins or Satoshis in terms of dollars. When Bitcoin becomes a worldwide currency, each Satoshi will have a value of its own, independent of any dollars, euro, or yen. Imagine getting paid 3 to 4 Satoshis per hour for your hard work. You will start to see just how much value is packed into each tiny fraction of Bitcoin. Now, if you're new to Bitcoin, I want you to know something important. You are not too late to the party. In fact, you're right on time. Bitcoin's journey is just beginning, and you're stepping in at the right times when there's more safety and clarity than ever before. The early days of Bitcoins were exciting, but they also came with a lot of uncertainties and a lack of regulations to protect investors. Now we have clear guidelines, more robust exchanges, and even institutional backing, which means this is one of the safest times to enter the market. So don't let the fear of being too late hold you back. This is the perfect times to get in and secure your piece of this revolutionary asset. Let's talk about why Bitcoin is fundamentally different from anything else. Stocks, gold, real estate, even diamonds. Sure, gold is valuable and real estate is a physical asset, but both of those can be reproduced, expanded, or mined further. With Bitcoin, 21 millions is 21 million. No governments or central bank can print more Bitcoin, and its rarity is baked into the technologies. As more people adopt Bitcoins, its supplies remain fixed, making it more rare and therefore more valuable over time. Another thing that makes Bitcoin unique is its securities and privacy. As long as you keep your password or private keys secure, no one can take your Bitcoins from you, not even the governments, unless you breaking serious laws. Bitcoin's technologies ensures that only you control your assets. And unlike with a bank, where authorities can freeze or seize your accounts, Bitcoin's decentralized nature keeps it beyond traditional control. No one can see how much you have unless you reveal it yourself. I believe that in the future, Bitcoin's value will surpass that of gold, real estate, stocks, and even diamonds. All these other assets can be created, mined, and produced in, but Bitcoin's fixed supplies make it a different game altogether. Bitcoin is more than an asset. It's a tool for freedoms, for securing wealth, and for protecting financial independence in a way nothing else can offer. So owning 0.01 Bitcoin isn't just about having a piece of a cryptocurrency. It's about owning a piece of a revolutionary financial systems that only is going to become more important. The scarcities, the privacies, and the independence make Bitcoin and its Satoshis powerful beyond any other assets. And for those of you who just getting started, know that you're stepping into Bitcoin at the right time. The question is, will you have your piece of the future? If you found this insight valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep stacking those sets. Until next time, guys. But in the meantime, hold tight and stack it right. Take care.